So my dad just bought me this new phone case. It was supposed to be black, but it came out clear. And today we're gonna be restoring it from this old thing. This is hard to take off, so I'll pick the camera back up when I'm done taking this off. Okay, so I did just get it off. Camera lens protector on. Now we'll put this new phone case on. Okay, so I just got it on. And now that this little ring thing is here, I do the circle charge. It's basically just supposed to strap onto your phone. And then it's supposed to charge. I'll show you what I mean. Just like that. And then it should start flashing blue. That means it's charging. And then, yep, I'm all set. Here's the old one. It was divided into 3 parts. And this is the old one. I really like this charger. It's easier because sometimes it's just one time when I was doing a FaceTime with 2 of my friends, Jaden and Ben. They're both schoolmates. My phone was low battery during the FaceTime, so when I went to get the charger, I plugged it in, but when I tried to plug it out, when I tried to take it out, for some reason that the little charger port got stuck inside that, so I had to use like tweezers or something to get it out. And that's why this is easier, because nothing can get stuck in here, and it's easier, so my phone won't break. It's just easier, like it's just a strap on. It's just a strap on. Just like, it's so easy. Just like that. And then it just starts charging. And it's not made by Apple. I just got it on Amazon, and that was pretty easy. 82% from 77. This is very handy. It doesn't really use anything special. You just plug it in, and then you just plug it in, and then, yeah. So you guys can buy your own on Amazon. It's called like a magnetic charger that straps onto your back. And bye.